are okay, and I hope you are studying well. Today we are studying Unit 10, pages 54 and 55. Today we are studying the following: how to ask about the weather, how to describe the weather, different activities we do in different weather conditions. Let's start. First, what's the weather like? What's the weather like? This is how we ask about the weather. So if I want to know about the weather, I would ask you, what's the weather like today? What's the weather like today? And you will tell me, it's hot, it's cold, it's rainy, it's sunny, it's cloudy, it's windy. So again, when I want to ask you about the weather, I say this question: what's the weather like? This is the question that I use. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? The answer would be it's, and describe the weather. So it's hot, it's cold, it's cloudy, it's windy, it's sunny, it's rainy. Now, open the student book, page 54, please. Unit 10, out and about. The first exercise, look, listen, and read. Look, listen, and read. So first, listen to me, and then read it on your own. What's the weather like today? It's rainy. I like rainy days. Rainy days are fun. I like hot and sunny days. We can play in the sun. Exercise number 2. Look, listen, and say. Please, kids, I will say the words and repeat after me. Rainy, rainy. Windy, windy. Sunny, sunny. Hot, hot. Cold, cold. Cloudy, cloudy. Just remember, we use this question to ask about the weather. What is the question? What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today? And remember, this is how we answer it and talk about the weather. The second topic that we're talking about today, the activities. What are the activities that we can do in different conditions or in different weather conditions? For example, can I go out to play football when it's rainy? No. So every weather condition has its own activities. So let's look at some activities that we can do. Go outside. Go outside. Read a book. Read a book. Go swimming. Go swimming. Play a board game. Board games are the games that we can play on board, like the one in the picture. Play football. Play football. Watch a movie. Watch a movie. Now let's move to page 55. Listen, read, and say. We will say all of these words again, and this time I want you to repeat after me. Go outside. Go outside. Read a book. Read a book. Go swimming. Go swimming. Play a board game. Play a board game. Play football. Play football. Watch a movie. Watch a movie. Exercise number 4. Listen, read, and say. The same. Listen to me and then say it after me. What's the weather like today? It's sunny. What shall we do? Let's go outside. So here, what shall we do? What are we going to do? It's sunny. So if it's sunny, we can go outside, we can go swimming, we can play football, but If it's rainy, can we go swimming? No. So if it's rainy or windy, we will read a book, play a board game, watch a movie. So if it's rainy or windy or the weather is not so good, we will do activities that we can do at home, like reading the book or watching a movie. And if it's sunny, we will go out, like go swimming, go outside, play football. Now let's move to the workbook. Page 52. The first exercise, look and complete. We have 4 pictures and 4 words. We will complete the 4 words to get the missing word. Number 1, rain. It's done. Number 2, let's look at the picture. Picture number 2, the sun is here. So it's sunny, sunny. Number 3, look at this girl. What's the weather like in this picture? Cold. Number 4, do you see the clouds? So what's the weather like? Cloudy. So here we have the missing word, windy, windy. Now you can write it here and draw something to represent the word windy. Just use your imagination. Exercise number 3. Look and write. What's the weather like? It's hot. Number 2. What's the weather like? It's... Look at this. Here it was hot, but here cold. It's cold. Number 3. What's the weather like? It's... Look at this. Yeah, rainy. Number 4. What's the weather like? It's sunny. Excellent. Now to page 53. Page 53 is homework. What are you going to do? Exercise number 1, find and write. You will find the word here and then you will write it in its place. First, number 1, let's play football. Number 2, let's go outside. Number 3, let's play a board. Number 4, let's go. Number 5, let's a movie. Number 6, let's a book. Exercise number 2, read and write the missing letters. We have some words here are missing some letters. We will just complete them. Number 1, what's the weather like? It's hot and sunny. What shall we do today? Let's go. Write the missing letters of this word. Number 2, what's the weather like? It's... What shall we do today? Let's play a board inside. So in the PowerPoint presentation, you will find a slide directly after this slide which have the model answer for this page. Watch this video for further help. In this video, you will find a lot of weather conditions, more than we have in the lesson, so you don't have to memorize them all, of course, but I wanted to listen to the video. It will help you a lot. Game time. In the PowerPoint presentation, you will find a game which you will click at remove. Every time you click, it will remove a rectangle or a square so that you can guess the word before you remove all of them. And then, what do you think? What do you think? Okay, you have a word in mind? Let's see if it's correct or no. Windy. Okay, so you have the game in the PowerPoint presentation. Play it and enjoy. Now grade 1, we reached the end of the lesson. Good job, hard workers. I know you work hard these days. Stay safe and stay home, guys. Please study hard. Good luck. Goodbye.